poor donkey, man. So I was telling her
those
the
are
story.
nice. Those are nice.
Yeah, I was telling her the story behind it and what we do at Christmas.
You hooked up. Look at him. He got his little yellow shoes on.
But what you need to do is book a ticket, come to Jamaica, and book yourself an Appleton Rum Estate tour.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now.
Right. Good morning, my G&Ts. This is my first good morning. No, it's not my first good morning in Jamaica. Lord, I'm losing track of the days. Anyway, no, it's my first good morning G&Ts being in St. Elizabeth. No? Have I got another one? I'm not sure. Anyway, good morning G&Ts. I woke up very early this morning, had my shower, and we're just boiling our lemongrass tea, plucked freshly from the garden. Junior plucked it this morning, so it's on the fire as I showed you earlier, boiling. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so today is a sunny day. Let me paint a picture for you. It's a bright, sunny day. I could hear some church music in the background playing this morning because it's Saturday and it's a 7-day event. It's they're at it. And what else? I can see the cock crowing. No, the cock wasn't crowing, but I saw the cock walk past a minute ago. And yeah, and I'm just here waiting for my lemongrass tea. The agenda for today will be Appleton Rum Factory. Appleton Rum Factory is where we will be heading today, and then if we have time after, we'll be going down to Santa Cruz, because I want to pick up some bits and pieces. There's a few shopping trips that I need to do actually while I'm in Jamaica. Some little bits and pieces that I want to get. We want to get some artwork for our room, and we want to get just a little bits, a few more bits of crockery and just a little bits and pieces. So yeah, so we'll be taking you along on that shopping trip. We'll also be taking you along on Appleton Rum Factory if videoing or vlogging is allowed. Went to a dance last night. We would have put some clips of that. I don't know if it will be in this vlog or the previous vlog. I'm not sure how I'm going to split up the vlogs yet, but anyway, went to a dance last night in Silo. That's where we're actually staying, Silo, St. Elizabeth. That's where Junior is from. This is his hometown. So there was a dance last night, went to that. Dexter Pepper from Montego Bay, DJ, he was playing there last night. It wasn't rammed when we went, it wasn't packed. Yeah, but the music was good. And then after that, we went to, where did we go again? Went to a next dance in Taunton. Am I saying it right? Taunton? Something Tan. In St. Elizabeth, went to another party there as well. That was good. The DJs were very good. I should find out what DJs they were last night. I'm gonna ask Marsha. And yeah, but that was a vibe. I think I drank too much. I haven't drunk alcohol for ages since I've been on the healthy eating journey. I cut out the drinking. But you know, we're in Jamaica, so you know the drink will be not continuing, drink will be going on. There's a few liquors I need to try. Vibes Cartel rums being one of them. I know there's about, is it 7 rums or 5 rums that it's got? Unstoppable, Fever. Can't remember the next one. Not straight. Can't remember the others, but yeah. So I want to taste them ones. Apparently, they're not in St. Elizabeth yet, so they're probably like Montego Bay and Kingston. So yeah, whenever I go down there, I'll see if any of the shops have got them. But yeah. So guys, I will see you when I get to the rum factory. For those of you who love rum, make sure you continue watching, like, share and subscribe, and continue watching to see how the rum tour was.
for one person again? The other?
59 US.
39 US?
Yeah, 27 for kids.
He wants to see you there.
Good afternoon. Williams. What? 247. Up to the left side. Yeah. Alright, thanks.
It's nice, isn't it? They've redone it, isn't it? They've
Redone
given it a
landscape.
facelift.
Landscape,
Yeah, it's
this was-
nice.
So we're at the Appleton Estate. Who make the rum? Who make the rum? There's a meme going around with like around Christmas, and there was a guy one time where he was drunk and he was like falling over, sweating everything, and his friends would make, who make the rum?
Oh, just the white rum.
Yeah, the
I
friend-
saw him
yeah,
there
so
when he
friend-
was just, oh, that was awful.
Yeah,
And the
I know.
friends them were like about this. A few minutes later, he was like all over the place, vomiting everything,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and they were like,
Who make the rum?
they were like, who make the rum?
Yeah, he was in a mess. That just made me feel so ill watching him.
What happened? Alright, we ready?
So make the rum.
Let's go, guys. No, you lot chose black, innit?
Yeah, we wanted black.
Yeah. There was one white actually, but True, you said you wanted black.
Wear any? I don't know why you're the one talking, because you only ever choose black.
Where's the entrance? Right, guys, we are at Appleton Estate. Appleton Estate, and we're coming here to do the wine tour. And, yeah. So on the way out, I'll show you the landscape. We just want to get in now, it's hot. It is, isn't it? Huh? Yeah. What do you want?
No, I just said, all this, no phone. It's okay.
No, go and get it.
The pictures.
Oh.
Actually, I was trying to be light, and then I left everything in the bag. This is pretty long.
It is, isn't it? Landscaping. So yeah. You're gonna ask what time the tours start in case we can catch one. Yeah, mom. Yeah, mom. Right, let's see in case because maybe there's a tour that's gonna start. We can catch.
Oh, yeah, let's do
in it. So let's do that. Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon.
Alright, so the restroom is here left if you need it to get ready for that.
Get ready to eat. Yeah. Thank you. Not in it. That's what we need. So we're gonna go there to tell them how much I've asked and Oh yeah, exactly.
They won't know the timeline.
Exactly. Savannah, yeah, you might as well take the picture as your dad forgot your t-shirt. Jesus Christ. Just all this effort for nothing.
We look first and sort that out.
All right, go on then. Hey, girl. Huh?
Oh, 2 of them.
It's 3 under 12.
2014.
So we have 4 adults. 1 is 14, and then we have 2 babies.
Yeah.
We're doing it.
Oh.
So you won't pay for the 2 babies, you only pay for 5 first.
Oh, that's good. Bonus.
So everything is $171. And you want to do it in 2.
Right, guys, we are finally in Appleton Rum Factory tour, Appleton Estate. So we're going to do a tour. We all have on our Cook the Turkey t-shirts, Jamaica 2024.
Did they only sell rum, don't they?
Yeah, but yours, no, you cannot sell soft drink, surely. Yours can be non-alcoholic. Yeah, yours can be non-alcoholic. Right, so yeah, so we paid our tickets. How much were the tickets?
The tickets.
Well, it was 70 something, 72.
Do we?
The registration on the iPad.
Oh, we need the registration?
Yeah, so what I was saying, so we paid our money. Can you stop? Can you stop? Hello? Listen, stop. What, separately?
Yeah, see, adults.
Watch ya. Here, you, huh? Face it on the other one. Is it,
Go straight outside, yeah? Oh, okay.
You have to get it now, the show's gonna start. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, he's gone on it. We're coming already. Can you follow, like, and subscribe, please, to our channel?
Sure.
Thank you. Let's go, guys. Why you never followed at all? Huh? What is it?
I was at the toilet.
Oh, okay. You want the water, Savannah? Oh no, she could have got a. Ashley got one. Through here?
Yeah, but the video almost finished, so I'll take back for you at the end of the show.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
You can just wait.
We've been here before anyway.
Oh.
Yeah, a while ago, but it was more for them. She said at the end.
Now, at the end, I'll bring you back to watch it. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to be rolling on the outside for the tour.
I think we came ready to have the video now. This is the evening.
So I'll let you watch it.
What you say?
This is new.
No, when I was at the bar. Did you learn anything? Did you learn anything? Oh, really? Jeez. It feels rushed.
No, it's a video. The chief taster is called Spence. Another Spence.
Oh, they probably all bloody, then they, listen, money.
I learned that was
Wait till this.
21 bit.
And it's
Ah,
sometimes in
that's good, eh? Oh God, yeah.
the level they
That's right. Ah,
as well.
G's and T's. You follow people. Fence. No, that's a name. And about the slave owners and. So again, it's probably not our name, is it?
Get the dark and stormy, the ginger beer one.
I don't know
Oh,
what
you
he
lot did
gave
right.
us.
Ugh.
We just we were late, so we just
Ginger
grabbed
beer
something.
one is nice.
Nice.
I got the ginger. Sorry.
She said at the end,
After the outside,
Lord
I bring you
God,
back here. Yeah.
Junior.
Come back way. I just have your miss. So when we're done drinking everything, just make your back here. That's just 5 minutes.
So when I won't walk in the grass, get bitten, no?
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Can you guys think you want to come around?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Alright. Let me just apologize for our donkey. He's not feeling well. He's not dead. He's not feeling well. So he's out of work for today. But this is a mill that was used in the 17th and 18th century by using a donkey and also a human. The donkey would have gone around into the mill. There's a gentleman that would push the sugar cane through the mill. Using this method, we would have squeezed up to 65 to 70% of juice. Mechanically way, we get up to 98% of juice, which is big difference. No longer using this method, everything is done on the factory side. Let us do a comparison. This is how the cane would have looked after the donkey would have extracted the juice from it. Still together and juice still left in it. But this is how it looks when it's done in the factory. Totally shredded. It is called bagasse. Use it to make ballast board here in Jamaica. Back home, some of you guys may call it particle board, chipboard, compressed board. Not in the board making business here. Use it to generate steam to run our turbine, so we have our own electricity here. The ash that is left after we burn it, we put it back into the cane field as a form of fertilization. Nothing is wasted here. You learn that as you go along on the tour. Follow me this way.
That's it, because I know what's in it. Is it a one? Is it wrong? Yeah, it's not wrong to you. You didn't get one?
No.
Where was you?
I was in the toilet. I was peeing.
So no donkey. I know this one.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Keep it in the group. Right guys, so we're moving on to the next part of the tour. The donkey was sick, as I'm sure you heard her say. So no donkey that we could see today. Oh, okay. We'll probably do that at the end. You won't get much in it. He did, a little bit. Trying to find a space.
Really?
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Bang, bang.
People from there, hold on. Are they cute? Oh, come guys. Are you not taking one or doing it after?
Everyone's country.
How is it
Shoo
part?
us right out. You might not get to this end.
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. That's what I was thinking. No, when the last one goes, you usually jump on. Because if we're not moving anyway, I'm presuming. I know.
What? No, that's literally on the face.
It is slavery, yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
It looks like slavery, doesn't it?
Innit?
They look really in pain.
Oh dear.
Savannah, can you just shift to the right for me? Thank you, darling.
She's taking her time of filming that.
Well done, Ash. You want to go back there again? Let me go. Huh? No, go back because you wasn't by yourself. Go back so I can take a picture by yourself. Quick before people come.
Nicole, get out there.
Alright, come now. Thanks. No, go. Mm. Ooh. What?
I said, Renzi, would you like one? And he said the rum or a picture.
No, Renzi. No, Renzi. No, Renzi. No, Renzi. Sorry. I know, yeah.
Just here again.
Immigrants support enslaved that usually work here on the estate. On the bottom part, right around are names of enslaved that work here as well. Also a sign of freedom and pleasure that we enjoy today based on the English experiences in the past. So we are actually paying tribute to our ancestors that usually work here on the estate. But we're at the sugarcane station. This is actually a piece of sugarcane. That's communicating to you right behind you there. That's how it goes. Once I gave you guys the sugarcane, all I want you to do is to chew on it, swallow the juice, and take out the fiber. Please do not swallow the fiber. The charge for that is right across there. You chew on it exactly as a gum. Don't be shy. It's a popcorn person. It's all yours. Don't be shy.
Take one now. What was all that shouting? Actually, what was all that shouting about by the fan? What was all that shouting? Yeah, you shouted. What was it?
No, I couldn't hit because the fan was like, so I didn't know I was shouting.
Okay. Nice. You can get one for me and take mine because I don't want it. Yeah. They like sugar cane. Oh, that's your personal one. She can take another one though.
Oh.
It's dark and it's hot.
No, I don't mind that. I'm talking about up here. It wasn't.
We're gonna do one by the tree and one, but that's just. Holding up what? Oh, that's stupid foolishness.
I don't feel no green sign.
What is it?
That's what I normally do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just normally do this. I don't even know it.
Maybe you should normally stop.
Okay.
There's space around here, guys. Your family can come around.
I don't do this.
Okay,
Squeeze round,
squeeze round, squeeze round. No, we can't squeeze no more. No, go down, no. That's good. He's hot.
Are you pushing me?
Huh?
Lady needs to come here.
No, man, then I don't want your pressure.
This is a...
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, rotate here.
What do we
Just
need?
hold it. Just hold it.
What's their room?
All right, 2 volunteer.
Wow, that hands went up quick.
He asked me.
They want to embrace the experience. Huh? Do what?
From you? No. Over there, so.
Oh, because you're behind them.
You didn't want class was supposed to be doing. You gotta work hard in order for your group to pay for natural sugar cane. It's not working.
Poor donkey, man. Even just to push it in is hard work. Yay!
You know how the doctor feels. That's sweet. What a cane.
It's more probably the juice than the cane ash. Wait, they're gonna get drinking.
Couple now.
Mm.
You know what? Press boy. If I touch your finger, mommy.
Huh? My God.
Yeah. Oh, take the man's head off. ADHD, Donald.
What is wrong with her? Hey, thank you. We can drink juice now.
All the workers will be drinking first.
Sorry.
There's a container.
Oh.
Maybe this is a planting fruit to drink.
Did they make sure they cleaned the sugar cane before?
Didn't make it out like
Out in the street, they call it murder.
So guys, yeah, you can go over there. Tastes nice. It's refreshing. It's nice. Nice. It's refreshing. Sweet. With lots of ice and a bit of ginger.
I did like it, but it was just too sweet.
Okay, give me the cup now. Yeah, it's nice. Right, let's move on, guys. Right, so we're moving on to the next part of the tour.
A bit of lime, juice would have been nice with it.
Yeah, and ice.
When you're making caramel, you heat sugar so it starts to melt.
Those are nice.
Yeah, basically I do a trick every Christmas.
Okay.
So I said that me now cook the turkey because I'm not cooking
I know
on
that
Christmas.
shit. I know that.
So I decided that every Christmas we go somewhere different.
I know
so last
that's
year was
right.
Spain, this year Jamaica, next year is Egypt. So I do.
They'll never forget.
They won't forget.
We are at the wet sugar station and you're gonna taste wet sugar. What is wet sugar? Molasses, huh?
Molasses.
Molasses is a liquid already.
Okay.
Right, correct. So white sugar is
What is it
molasses
again?
and sugar crystal combined together.
Ah.
The cane juice that you just have across there is all cooked or boiled on to this liquid. A lot of people use it to bake, love the cakes, cookies, bun, lemonade as well. Good in iron, vitamin B12, and potassium. Tastes a lot better than how it looks. No double dipping. You need a second tasting, you grab a second spoon. Trash pan right behind me, there's another one there. Just in case you might need water, there's a water fountain behind the porta pot. When I lift, you can.
Oh, Lord. You taste it? Go on. Mind your clothes, though. Yeah, so careful with the spoon.
It just smells like the...
Do you want some? Do you want to taste some?
That's why I got this.
Put it in your mouth before it drips on your clothes. Or put it in the bin. The bin's here. Hold on. Very sweet. I know the taste. What does it taste like? Almost like a medicine. It tastes like there's a medicine called... Oh, what's that medicine? It begins with G. No, Goliath. Or cough something. That is how it tastes like. That dark brown medicine. Tastes like a drink.
Yeah, you know that dark drink.
Super malt?
Yeah.
Super malt. So it actually said it tastes like super malt and the cough medicine, innit? Super malt, yeah. Well done, Ash. Okay, where we going now? Right, we're moving on to the next part of the tour. Oh, it's water if you want water. Do you want water?
That's good that you take expose them that way.
Yes, definitely. And they, yeah, because I just said I'm not doing it. Yeah.
Learn the different languages.
That's right.
Yeah.
No, she's saying she likes our t-shirts. So
Oh yeah, those are nice. Those are nice.
Yeah, I sent her the story behind it and what we do at Christmas.
You hooked up. Look at him. He got his long yellow shoes on.
Seems like a plan.
Oh yeah, you had a plan.
Yeah, thank you very much. Oh, we have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
So follow us when you have time.
All right then.
Subscribe.
I will.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Who wants
you
water?
doing it for other families or
Yeah, I do
doing it
groups.
for-
Last when
You
we
do
went
groups?
Spain, it was 22 of us.
Okay, from where?
From we're in the UK, London.
you're in the UK.
Yeah, but we can do, you know,
You need
whoever
to-
wants
you
to.
need US in it.
Yeah, I'm trying to grow it. Yeah, I'm trying to grow it.
We have another a school friend who is in USA. She want to combine and do a massive one with people from America. People
Where
from
are you
UK
from?
to Jamaica.
I'm at the DC area.
Oh, DC,
So if ever
okay.
y'all want to roll up there,
Yeah.
I'll do an Airbnb for you guys.
Oh,
You
well,
know,
excellent.
Well,
you
yeah, you gotta. Huh?
Oh, you got Airbnb and
Yeah.
I got a house, okay?
Yeah.
I am
Oh.
connected, so I'm good. So you ought to really
Can we
consider-
exchange numbers? Do that, yeah, do that, yeah. Excellent. Yeah, thank
Have you ever
you.
been to the United States?
They haven't. I went years ago as a child. He hasn't either. So we did say next year was going to be the America trip. Yeah.
I want to go to America.
Yeah, he
that's
wants to
right.
know.
I live in the
She lives there,
area,
DC.
So yeah, it's a lot for you to live.
Yeah, oh, that's good, definitely.
I want to go now.
I was on the plan for 2025 anyway.
Yeah, that was the plan for America trip. Oh, we're going to this bit. I thought they didn't do this bit anymore. Okay. Oh. Am I blocking? We're going to block now. Nothing we can do.
All right, 20 more minutes and then we are back inside the air condition for the drinking. We are at fermentation.
What can we do?
So the liquid that I just gave you guys, what we do, we separate the crystal from the molasses. We sell you guys the crystal as sugar. That's how you get brown sugar. Takes the color of the molasses. But how do we get white sugar? They actually bleach the brown sugar and
Do you want me
that's
to
how
move?
they
Let me move.
get white sugar.
Sorry.
When fermentation is completed, yeah, chemical, yeah. When fermentation is completed, that's where we store the wash in that big tank behind you there. So it can carry up to 120,000 gallons of liquid at any time. Fermentation is a process of converting the sugar in the molasses to alcohol. 60% of the molasses is natural sugar. That is why, by time to time, people use it as a sweetener. We dilute the molasses with water from a spring here on the estate. There's a picture there of the spring we have on the estate. Also, the head of Black River starts here on the estate. Black River is the widest river here in Jamaica, and the head is on property here. So the river runs right through the estate. For fermentation, we use cultural yeast, so not the one you use in the bread now. We take it from the skin of the sugar cane, grow it here in lab, and that was passed down from generation to generation. Fermentation would have complete within 48 hours. Only 8% alcohol. As you all know, we're not making beer. So we pump that 8% alcohol inside the distillery, and there's the magic begin. I'm going to take you there for distillation, but unfortunately, no pictures, no videos, no recording. Have to keep the secret inside for the company right here. Right here behind me is a model of the pot still distillation method. You want to take a picture of it, you can. Otherwise, you're going inside where it's the bigger version of this. We are climbing a stair, 24 step up, maybe one. Follow me around.
24 step up. We're on to the next part of the tour. We have the distillery area. We're not allowed to film or take pictures. So we're just going to walk up now and go and see how the rum is made. Sorry we can't take you guys along with us, but what you need to do is book a ticket, come to Jamaica and book yourself an Appleton Rum Estate tour.
Yeah, people, so we just went in where the rum is made. Yeah, so this is the distillery. So basically saying every rum you see on the shelf
Appleton.
in the world, every Appleton rum you see on the shelf in the world has to pass through
Yasso. Yasso.
to pass through Yasso. Yasso rum.
Yasso.
Angie, where rum make? Yasso.
Have to pass through. Yasso. Oh, for God. Oh. A baby, that man. Have we got more tasting to do? How are you going to cope?
Alright, wherever you are, listen carefully. Everything goes back to normal with simple means. You actually can take your pictures here. In the meanwhile, I'm explaining, but still after explain, you get a chance to. Now, there are 17 warehouse or aging house here in Jamaica. When this one is full, it carries up to 8,000 barrels of rum. The largest warehouse carries over 40,000 barrels of rum. This one right here is a third smallest. Biggest one is in Kingston and Spanish Town Road. 5 times the size of this one right here. 234, Reneville property. So Reneville is on the right or the left, wherever you're coming from. At any given day or any given time, just any one of you here wants the task to do our inventory. I can guarantee you'll never count less than 250,000 barrels of rum in storage at any given day or any given time. It must always be above it and not below. Why? Just in case of storm or hurricane, we still have rum for you guys because we cared about you.
Yes, of course.
Take a look at the transformation right here. Unaged, crystal clear. Unaged is just like white rum. So white rum does not come here. Straight out of the distillery, they use water to cut it down, then they bottle. Rainhaven makes white rum, but Appleton makes aged rum. Rainhaven is our parent company. Blending and bottle is done in Kingston at Rainhaven on Spanish Stone Road. So the rums, the more expensive they are. When the aging process is finished up, this is where our master blender Woodhull comes in. Joyce Spence, she's actually the first female ever to become a master blender in the whole wide world in the spring industry. We are lucky to have her. Any question, there are no stupid ones, it's actually drinking time. We exit down the hall.
What, down here? Down here?
Down this long. Down there.
Oh dear.
Head on in.
Thank you.
Adults sit behind a cup with rum.
You can stand here. You can stand here. I can't even climb up on a chair, so I can't be bothered. Huh? Gonna do something. Sit down, Jimmy. Actually, take my seat, because I'm not gonna sit down. Shh, you're sit down, Ash. You can. Woo! No, I'm gonna stand. I can't get up on these blasted stones anyway.
No, you don't embarrass yourself.
Exactly. So you don't touch anything, yeah? Because it's for adults, Ash. Yeah? It's alcohol.
Really appreciate a good rum. So before you start the drinking, we have some containers in front of you. They contain spices. They all come out in our rum, but they're not to be eaten. You're going to tell me what they are. I'm starting from your left to the right. So for the first one, what do we have? Orange peel is correct. For the second, melody is correct. For the third,
Coffee.
coffee bean is correct. For the fourth, nutmeg is correct. And for the fifth,
Dark chocolate.
I'll tell you when it's supposed to eat the chocolate. All the other spices, they all come out in our rum, but they're not to be eaten. Water on the table, guys. You're gonna drink some water after every shot.
Tiny bit or two.
Pardon me? No water? So I'm gonna start you guys off with a signature blend. Youngest of our premium rum carries an average of 4 years. Average means you have from your upward to low 48. I want everybody, take up the signature glass, the one to the left. Remove the cover, hold the glass by the stem, and raise it to the light. From just looking, tell me what color can you do?
Do I just do a video?
Gold.
What else?
Orange. Yellow.
Do I do a video?
Brown.
Amber is correct. Put the glass to the nose and take a deep breath in if you are not driving. Exhale. Swirl the glass around and then put it back to the nose. First flavor you're going to pick up is the orange.
Orange, yeah, that's true.
All yours to take a shot.
You ready?
Some people aren't going down, like you put some beer on the table.
Cheers, cheers.
Water on the table, make sure you drink some water all year.
No, not yet. No, it's to clear the palate for the next drink.
Oh no, that's no. That one is my one.
Can you see that?
I got two.
Drinking water for the palates, guys. My next shots, yeah?
Cleansing the palate.
Clean my palate.
Cleansing the palate.
Cleansing my palate.
Make sure you drink some water.
You ready for the Big 12? We're ready for the Big 12 now, guys.
What's the Big 12?
The Big 12 should be stronger.
Ashan, you could have this one, the Big 12.
Not using Appleton rum, but a rum that you should always have neat. And neat means just the way you're gonna have it now.
Nice.
Pour it in ice cube, but not a whole lot. 1 cube. We don't want to water down a good rum. Take up the 12, raise the glass to the light, and listen carefully. Everybody, look this way now. So look right here, where the rum meets the glass on top. So you should see a visible honey over.
That's true. Kiss it.
The more honey now,
Kiss it.
bring the cup. Tilt the glass to the side without spilling. Lift it up back in the original position. Those things that you see dripping down, they are called legs. Rum do have legs, just like wine. Hold them around.
Them bits.
Slower the legs.
You see the slow. You see the. Ah. Interesting.
Cocoa. Not to take a shot. A sipping one. It is not to take a shot. A sipping one. You're going to take your time. You're going to sip, chew on the chocolate, sip again. Sip, chew on the chocolate.
Chocolate time.
Sip again.
Chocolate time.
I have the chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
I'm going to tell you what happened with the chocolate and
What?
I need to take a taste. Thanks.
Well, I hear you now, Barlow. What's up with this body out these days? I'm getting worried about you. I'm watching too much Derek. You know, so Barlow every minute.
Good, I couldn't hold it.
Do you like dark chocolate?
Yeah.
You can't hold it in your hand. Eat it.
You taste that?
Milk. It's nice, yeah. Very strong. Sweating.
50% of the Appleton Estate from experience. Just want you guys to just go out there, continue to be a true ambassadors of our brands and product. Share experience with your friends and family. I want to thank you guys so much again for coming here today.
Thank you. Right, guys, so we're just stopping to get some petrol. And for those of you who haven't been Jamaica, you don't have to put your own petrol in, which I think is bloody great. I wish they would bring that to England. Oh, yeah, so the lady does it for you. It's amazing. They can get glitter over here. Yeah, so she does People do the petrol for you, which is good. Junior, your mum.
Junior.
GNT, what's up, guys? Are we in Jamaica? Yeah, man. And me and Natasha, we're going out.
Yes, GNTs, we are going to British Lifestyle.
So British Lifestyle night tonight.
Yep.
So, yeah.
So our fit jeans are fair. We've got an even tie good. True, yeah.
Well taken. Yeah, so we're heading out, so we touching the road, so we'll see you at the party.
Come
on, don't make it look high. Come in there, school, you see me?
Hold on. Them can't come in and say, tap it tune, everybody. You know what thing going on.
No jerk. No jerk. No jerk. Yeah, let me have jerk. With what? What else you have? You have dumpling? Dumpling festival? So what goes with the jerk? Bread? Oh, that's not enough. Just jerk, huh? Right. But they ain't got no bread here. What, here? No, but you're when you go back. When are they gonna come out? You know when am I gonna come out? You better get ready for sleep, my girl. What do you want, Lauren? Curry goat rice. Curry goat rice and cheese. Jerk pork, yes? Jerk pork, yeah. Find this thing Right, G&Ts. I've left the party because now I bought off my foot bottom. I am old, I am tired. I would do it 2 hours and do my little dancing or whatever, and then me done, yeah, me done. So Junior, young boy Junior, still in the dance with his sister. So when it's a buy two food, I should have got money from him actually, but anyway, my sister I got lend me some money, buy two food, and then I got name the food in the car and hold a nice sleep. But you know when Junior got come out, but whenever he does come out the car, I will be snoring. Me too old and tough now to be running off my foot 5-6 hours and I dance all party. No, I don't dance anymore. Ooh, I like this song. Yeah, may I get jerk pork? May I get jerk pork by this lovely man here? How much for this one? How much is it? I know 2,000 for meat and rice. When you, no, I don't know. Really? Millionaire? Is it? £10? Well, I suppose back on 5. I don't know, you're better than me. How much you have? How much is $1,000? I'm well hungry. How much is $1,000? What it look like? What's the portion size? Look at them at small. So how much? Show me. Alright. Yeah, lock off the lights.
have much left in it. Thank you.
Out in the street, they call it birds.